I'm Ariana from Mr. Hartman's 4th hour class, and throughout the past few days I've made this car using the Glowforge and tanker cap. I designed the car with scribble, and I made the wheels with cylinders, and I made the cylinders into holes, and yeah.
Hello, and this is my newest creation. It is a cannon that is metal. So give me a sec, solids. I'm gonna make this a bit thicker to see whether this works. So this is the first time I'm testing it with this much. So I don't know whether it will do good or not. So boom. Holy crap, it worked!
This is my spinner and I made it from this video from Mr. Hartman.
Guys, it's been a little while since I posted a new video, but today I'm going to show you this awesome Computers 1 slideshow that I made. So if you go up to the corner and hit present, then it'll come very big, and you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move it. So we have the first slide, second slide, third slide, fourth slide, fifth slide, and sixth slide. So as you can see, I'm not quite done yet, but it was a lot of fun to make, and I really liked learning new ways to use Google Slides, and I also loved learning how to insert a chart from Google Sheets into Google Slides.
Hi, my name is Brady. I was one of Mr. Hartman's former students, and I made this cool Tinkercad warship. As you can see, I made some turrets using the half sphere, and then I just did some cylinders and made it look like the turrets. And then up here it's kind of big, but it is a big missile. Here it is.
I'm Luke, and I was in Mr. Hartman's 6th hour class, and I made these two pushings, and I had Mr. Hartman print them for me. These are the two pushings. You kind of can tell the difference from the top. And these are the two pushings I made.
I'm Fisher with Modtech, and I made this fidget thingy.
Hello, this is Levi from, and so you'll need to go to the all shape generator, and you will see this thing called a twisted polygon, and it's on the slide 6. And what you do is do all the regulations that it says on his channel video. 30 by 30, I know that's a little off, and 55 height. And then once you put this all together, this is what it will look like. And you just need to go to Mr. Hartman's channel, and it'll show you everything that you need to know to make it. And you can add this instead of the circle.
Hi everyone, it's Mackenzie, and today I'm going to be showing you a cool tiny robot that I made in Tinkercad. I hope you guys like this. Let's go! So, this is my tiny robot, and I am in Tinkercad, and here's how I made this. So, first, to make the hat, I grabbed the half sphere and tiny hearts, which I think are super cute because I add hearts to everything I make. And then you scroll up, and I use the sphere for the eyes, and then if you go down here, I use the round roof for the shoes, and I used the cylinder for the body, and that's how I made this cool guy. Also, I grouped them all together using the group button. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. Have a nice day. Bye!
This is Michael in Mr. Hartman's 1st hour. I made a fidget spinner, and this was my second one. I just took the Taurus and put rings around it.
From Modtech, Mr. Hartman's 2nd hour, and I made the Finch say hit the whoa.
Mr. Garner.
Hey guys, it's Holden, and today I made a pair of skis. I love to go skiing. I'm not a snowboarder, so I made a pair of skis. And yeah.
Me and Linda realized that this explosion kind of looks like Jurassic Park.
Jurassic. No,
I
Jurassic.
said Jurassic.
You say Jurassic.
It is Jurassic. Jurassic Park. Jurassic Park. However you say it, but it kind of looks like those are the dinos.
Okay, I feel so stupid making this, but
It's Mackenzie, and I'm back, and I'm in fourth hour class. So this is what I made, and originally all I did was make this heart, and then I started duplicating it and making it smaller to make one of these cool ones. Alright guys, I will see you next time when it is printed. Alright, bye!
So I'm in Mr. Harmon's second hour, and he made a video about a fidget spinner, and so that's the one that I did using the spring in his idea.
very cool, Mr. Twitter.
Guys, it's Shanitza, and I have a scribble thingy from a previous lesson. Ooh, look at that background noise. Oh, okay, okay, so I have person, ice cream, whatever this thing has a base. It looks like it's from Sesame. This is poop, and this is a poop, and this is a dog, and yeah. It's Shanitza, and I recently made a turtle, and this is what it looks like, and then this is Mr. Harmon's turtle, and then just between us, Ryan's cuter! Ryan's cuter because like mustache. How cute. My name is Hannah, and I'm Mr. Harmon's fourth hour class, and I made an egg and 2 pieces of bacon on a plate, and it was just squares, half circles, and cylinders, and it's super simple to make. If you go on Tinkercad, you search up eggs and bacon, I think this may pop up. I don't know, but yeah.
Hey guys, I've officially finished the first and second floor, and I'm moving on to the third floor, and I've got it all in the spot that I want it to be, and so I just duplicated this and added the desk right here, and then the couch or the bed, I added a ottoman at the back of it, and I might add a TV right here so that if you go from this view, you can see the TV. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace out.
Mr. Harmon's first hour, finally back. So, I made a Finch remote. It's red, it's green, it's blue, it's teal, it's purple, it's white, it's a dull yellow, and it's a good yellow. Have a good time, guys. Goodbye.
Okay, I made this thing in Mr. Harmon's lesson today. The spinner thingy. Yeah, make a cool fidget spinner epic master thingy. And yeah. Kinda cool.
Hi, my name is Hannah, and I'm Mr. Harmon's fourth hour class, and I made like a little spicy turkey leg or chicken leg, and word of advice for any people who think of trying anything spicy: use milk or ice cream, not water, because it makes it worse. You don't want that because it's not going to end well for you or your taste buds.
Hi, it's Adriana, and I made Mickey and Minnie. Minnie's bow, like her polka dots, didn't come out too great, but it still looks pretty cool. And I made it. And I made it in Mr. Harmon's fourth hour class. I had a reason to. I don't know why, but I did. Bye.
Hi guys, my name is Hannah, and I'm in Mr. Harmon's fourth hour class, and you may know Giselle from this class, but I kind of made a little Giselle. It doesn't exactly look like her, she has no curly hair, but you know, I tried my best, and lately her nails have been this lime green color, so I made a little dress lime green, and it's super cute. I don't think it'll print well though. if I ever did try to paint it. So, yeah.
My name is Hannah, and I'm Mr. Herman's 4th hour class, and I made a little grumpy Smurf and like one of those little mushroom houses. And I based it on something on Thingiverse. It took a lot of circles and half circles. And Mackenzie's also here. So, you know.
Yes, I'll have a his hat.
I'll do Australian. So what we're hunting here, mate, is the French robots, and we have managed to capture it with some colors. So we got some pink, red, we got green, purple, teal, blue, yellow, and white.
It's not yellow, it's
but
yellow.
we managed to make light blue and pink and pink. Pink's not working.
Austin broke it.
Oh no. What should we do, mate?
Broke it, mate.
Oh my god.
You got that red. You got
Yes.
that green. You got the blue. You got the teal. You got the purple. You got the white. You got the yellow.
Love how she's getting to wait patiently for me at the top of the hill. You saying I'm slow, puppy dog? If you're not careful, I'm gonna make you walk home. Doesn't that look like an impossible angle? With that huge tree to still be standing? Almost scary walking under it. Unless you're brave like Bailey. No guts, no glory. Just crazy large. How much is being held at that wild angle?